Every time I drive away, reminds me of why I wanna stay. I can't wait to turn around and come on home. Every time I drive away, reminds me of why I wanna stay with you. I can't wait to share our home. Leaving is easy when you're looking down the road to new and brighter days. It's always hard to retrace your trail when life reminds you of darker days. It makes you look into the eyes of the ones you hurt along your way. Turns out staying is easy when you find out what you want and need. The road ahead now calmly waits. The price to pay for life this way is a toll for the road I let lead. And facing the music and making amends to the family and friends who once believed. Everyone has to pay the toll rolling down this road. Turns out staying is easy when you find what you need. Every time I drive away, reminds me of why I wanna stay. I can't wait to turn around and come on home. Every time I drive away, reminds me of why I wanna stay with you. I can't wait to come on home. You see a rich man in a nice car, got a big house, but did he come far? I see a poor man still walking miles. He got no house, but he is all smiles. We all know people that are hollow, happy in the middle, born to follow. It's all about high, it's all about zero. It's about what people don't see or don't know. It's not about privilege or the money. It's about time, space, belief. It's about high and it's about low. It's not about a size, it's not about a length. It's seizing an opportunity, an understanding, a position of strength. Would you know it? Would you know it when it happened? If it bit you on the face, would you know the best thing that ever happened? The look, the feel, the smell, the taste. The story of a lifetime is not about the length. It's about knowing when you are in a position of strength. Your heart is tattered and your soul is torn. You want the love, but you can't ride out the storm. It's true. You've been dying since the day you were born. I know it's been rough and there's nowhere you can hide. I won't say you've lost, but you can't find your pride. It's time to start living just so you can say you tried. So get a life, find a pet, love your wife, and place a bet. Change a light bulb for someone who can't. Write a book, crack a joke, paint a picture and fix what's broke. Your money isn't any good here anyway. Truth is your money isn't good anywhere, they say. Money isn't worth the price you hear you pay. So let's not shed a tear. Get our asses in gear today and enjoy our broken lives anyway. Been died since the day we were born. I met you, now I'm living like I won a war. It's peaceful in the eye of the storm. And I'm sorry for those who don't have what I have to fight and let go for. Dying since the day we were born. I watch my kids never take my advice, make the same mistakes more than twice. Why won't they listen? Why is there no respect for me? Would it be because I walked out on the family? I made my mistakes, it's true I know, but I'd never send you down the road I chose. It doesn't matter if his life is great or hits his skids. Every father wants it to be better for his kids. I didn't have a plan to be a better man. I didn't bend, so no breaks to catch. There are no 401k funds to match. Or kids I haven't seen, or taxes to the government. No life, health, or dent for me. Working night and day to find a way. I'm still the deadbeat I didn't want to be. I think I owe everyone I ever met. I'm still trying to live up to the bet. Working on something all of my time, and yet it's true what they say, you are a slave to your debt. How'd I wind up here? I'm not loose, lazy, or fancy free, but I have become the deadbeat that I did not want to be. I look in the mirror and what do I see? I'm a deadbeat and my kids won't listen to me. I'm twice the man I used to be, but still not half the man I want my kids to see. I'm still the deadbeat I didn't want to be. Learning to crawl before learning to walk. Learning to let them know before you're gonna go. Learning don't touch that because it's too hot. Learning don't touch those because you were told not. The ABCs, arithmetic and history, boys and girls, religion, family, jobs and career, fail and succeed. Finding out what worked for you may not work for me. Little victories strung together may slowly win a war, but don't get so caught up in battle that you forget what you're fighting for. Time slips by when you're having fun. It really flies when you find something or someone to take your mind off the facts that this runaway train has lost the tracks. You spend most of your life being taught and told what to do, and part of your life trying to decide what's right and who's wrong, and part of your life realizing it was all true. You don't know what you've got till it's gone. And your kids grow up and move away, find someone to love and a job that may or may not pay, and they decide you were wrong even though they may not have heard all you have to say. And you go to work and do your best, hope you can be there for them when they're put to test, and you wonder where the time is gone, as time lays your parents, family, and friends to rest. Learning, living, loving, and losing, we all have to deal and find what works for me. I remember being taught how to brush my teeth, to ride a bike, to say thank you. I remember the times Mom and Dad smiled so proudly. Little victories strung together will slowly win a war. But don't get so caught up in battle that you forget what you're fighting for. Walked a mile in those shoes, walked that mile 1,000 times a day. Traffic hits me at the crossroads, always leaves a bruise. So I never crossed it, always turned away. Gonna have to do this someday. Walked a mile in those shoes, tried to smile through the pain. Walked a mile in those shoes, tried to smile through the pain. Can walk blind to that same crossroads. I know what that proves. Never win, never lose. Hell, I never play. Same old shoes walk me here, they walk away. Change your life for better, change it today. To change those same old shoes, you need a month of Sundays and a new pair of shoes, just for fun and game. 30 days of change, do a cold life some good. 30 days of change could do a whole life some good. On day 30, I'll walk barefoot to that crossroads, 'cause my feet know to cross when my stubborn same old shoes never would. 30 days to break a chain, 30 days of change, 30 days to break a chain, 30 days of change. Change your life for better, change it today. Well, change your life for better, can you spare any change? 30 days of change, can I borrow a cup of change? Change those same old shoes before they wear a hole. Change those same old shoes, it's time to smell new leather and break in a new soul. You need a month of Sundays, new shoes, new fun and games. A month of Sundays, 30 days of change. 30 days of change, 30 days of change.